So my constellation is Aquila. So to find Aquila, you would look to the right of Delphinius, and then the head of the eagle starts at Altair, so right here, and then it goes into a T, so the arms are the wings, and then the bottom of the tail is the end of it. The best time to see Aquila is in the northern hemisphere from July through October. It can be seen between the latitudes of 90 degrees and negative 75 degrees. And then I have Aquila's classical name on here, and then I have in parentheses Eidos Dios, which is what it would say. And then Aquila's Bayer name is Alpha Aquilae. I also outlined Delphinius right here so you can kind of see where to locate it, because it is to the right and up a tiny bit, but that helps. So the four brightest stars that I chose are Altair, which the classical name is Alpha Aquilae as well, because it's the brightest star. It's 16.8 light years away. The spectral type is A7b. It's a subgiant, and its radial velocity is 286 kilometers per second. And then the next one is Therese. The Bayer name is on here as well, and the classical name is Gamma Aquilae. And then it's 395 light years away, and the spectral type is K32. Then it's a white dwarf, and its radial velocity is negative 2.79 kilometers per second. And then we have Alshane. I have the Bayer name on here, and the classical name is Beta Aquilae. It's 44.68 light years away. Spectral type is G9.54. It's a subgiant, and the radial velocity is negative 40.17000.08 kilometers per second. And then we have OCAB, and I have the Bayer name, and classical name is Zeta Aquilae. It is 83.17 light years away. Spectral type is AO. It's a white star, and the radial velocity is negative 25.00000, plus or minus 4.00 kilometers per second. And then Aquila is 460 light years away from Earth. And then I kind of outlined, so like right here would be where the brightest stars are at, and then also in this circle where Altair is, there's this other brightest stars. So on this slide, I have my deep space objects, and I've pointed them all out. So on the left right here, we have NGC 6760. It's a global cluster, and it's right here on one of the wings. And then right here we have NGC 6821 is a spiral galaxy, which is all the way at the bottom of the horizon. And then up here we have NGC 6709, which is an open cluster, and that is right in the middle of the eagle, where the wings are and the tail and the head. And then right here we have NGC 6790, which is a planetary nebula, which is right on the outside of one of the wings. So for the mythology, Aquila is defined as the eagle, and I kind of talked about that in the first slide, the wings and the head and the tail. Basically, the wings carried Zeus's thunderbolts, and Zeus told Aquila to kidnap Ganymede and to be taken to Mount Olympus to be a cupbearer for the gods. And then Ganymede's also a part of Aquarius, which is over to the left side. So that is the main mythology story that I found interesting. And then on this slide I have my works cited, and each source describes which slide I used it for. Thank you.